Hello, kids! Today we're learning another special letter. It comes right after C. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's the letter D. D is for dog, playful and fun. D is for drum, beating like the sun. D says duh, like in dancing deer. D says D when the letter is clear. Let's say it together. D. Can you draw it in the air with your finger? A straight line down, then a big curve on the right. That's how we write a capital D.